Good morning, you all. It is 6 a.m. on Monday, June 12th. I'm getting ready for my flight. My bag was overweight, so I had to take some stuff out. Then made it through TSA pre-check. Y'all see, I don't have to remove nothing. This is just my passport, y'all. This is the airport fit, y'all. Some slight. After I made the flight to Chicago, y'all, I noticed that they had all these flags in their international section. It was nice. That's just me, again, showing a fit, looking thick. You know. Then I went up into the Admirals Club, the thing that they have for AA, y'all. This is me looking rough, y'all. And I was just waiting for hours because my flight kept getting delayed. This is the chicken and the Rice Krispie treat that I ate. Then boom, this is my flight getting delayed again. My flight got delayed about 2 hours, y'all. Then when it finally became time to board, y'all, I was ready. Like, we all was ready. We've been waiting forever, y'all. But we got on that flight. If y'all have ever been on long flights, then y'all know how it goes. Y'all get the pillows, covers, all that good stuff. Try to keep you comfortable for as long as possible, y'all. We had some food. We had the dinner. It's like a chicken and rice type of thing, y'all. Here it is right here. And y'all, it was just a long ride. This is us flying to London from Chicago, y'all. This is about halfway through. Then boom, we finally landed. We finally freaking landed, y'all. This is the time that we arrived. We arrived at 9:11 a.m. The time in Chicago was 3:11 a.m. So y'all, we flew for about 7.5 hours. This is me getting on a bus on my way to my next gate, which is freaking far. I had to arrive at security again, go through, check my passport, all that good stuff. Y'all, I missed my flight to Nairobi because the flight coming to London was delayed 2.5 hours from Chicago. So y'all, I'm not going to Nairobi till tomorrow now. And I have another layover now because they put me on a new flight. I have a layover in Qatar now. So I have to fly 9 hours to Qatar from here, from London. And then from Qatar, I have to fly 5 hours to Nairobi, y'all. It's just a whole bunch of extra stuff that I have to do now because the plane wasn't ready or whatever the excuse was of why we departed late. But y'all, I'm over. Every time I come to London, it's always some BS, y'all. Let me tell y'all about the last time I came to London, y'all. Why did they lose my bags? Why was I stuck in the airport in Germany for 2 days? Like, it was just a whole bunch of BS, y'all. But that's a whole different story. That was 4th of July of last year, actually. Or, no, it was like the week after 4th of July of last year. So I'm sitting in the airport in London. I have a little minute to be waiting, actually. I have like 4 more hours to wait here before my flight leaves to go to Qatar. This is just me checking in. This is the vlog so far. It's always something with London. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm going to stay positive and just hope I make it there in one piece. My friend, she is on her way there already. She made her flights, but it's always some BS with my flights, y'all. It is. But okay, y'all, this is it. I'ma just sit around and wait. That's all I can do. Sit around and wait, eat food, be fat, edit videos. I'm gonna check back in, y'all. So y'all, this is an airport in London. I was looking for some food everywhere. Then I finally found a place called Prince of Wales. I think I said that right. I got some wings and yeah. Then finally got on my flight, y'all. Got some food, all that good stuff. Y'all know. Landed in Qatar, y'all, and as y'all can see, it's very nice in this airport. They had words on the screen that I couldn't even understand. They had nice cars and just it was a lot of good scenery in Qatar's airport, y'all. Check this out. Yes, ma'am. Period. You wanna say what's up to the vlog? Hey, y'all. We are too goofy, y'all. So, I finally made it to Kenya, y'all. I finally made it to Kenya, bruh.
After 2 days.
After 2 days of flying, bruh. They came and got me from the airport, and we finally got back to the hotel. Y'all, I've been in these clothes for 2 days. 2 days. I'm ready to hop in the shower, and then we're gonna get our day started. Today, we got the safari tour planned. And yeah, just stay tuned. Just stay tuned.
We going to the safari, y'all. The light's not perfect.
Y'all, we just got picked up in a van. We're about to go head to the safari tour. Like, yes. Period. Safari ready. Period. Yeah. Asante means thank you? Yes. How do you say thank you? Asante. Asante. Okay. She did say Asante. So after we left the safari, we headed to a souvenir store where everything was handcrafted, y'all. It was amazing. Like, just seeing all the masks and all the art that they had, it was dope. They had awesome paintings. Everything was just dope, y'all. They had some jewelry and just all types of nice things. And that is the end of day 1.
This is day 2, y'all. Day 2. We're about to go to the elephant orphanage. Giraffe park. Yeah. All right, see you there.
It's nice.
It's nice. Ah, good. I'm happy to hear that. We came early. This is my colleague.
Hi.
We came early because we wanted to keep time. We don't know the
Okay, that's okay. We was like, I thought you said 9:30.
Yeah,
Okay,
we just came early.
came early. Okay. Go ahead. How do you say welcome?
Karibu, we say Karibu.
Okay,
Yeah, for
karibu.
welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Hey y'all, just pulled up to our cafe before we go to the elephant orphanage because we are starving and we decided to grab something quick to eat real quick, and our tour guide was kind enough to stop and let us get some food real quick. So yeah.
Period.
Come through with the light.
Why does your camera look so good?
Right here, it's right here.
Hey y'all, we just got to the elephant
Elephant
orphanage and yeah, we're just waiting around for the tour to start, and y'all, we're outside. We're outside. It feels pretty good. It's not too cold, not too hot, so like, yeah.
Everybody is wearing jacket, but
Hey, we are overdressed, but like we look good, so who cares? Period.
Now it's time for the tour to begin. We all headed into the elephant orphanage, y'all. This is what the setup looks like. It's basically just a big old circle of where the elephants run around. This is a baby rhino. And yeah, it's my first time seeing a baby rhino. And here comes those elephants, y'all. I think we seen about 16 elephants total. They all were babies. They all were orphans, and their parents were either killed or nowhere to be found when the babies were found. Y'all, as y'all can see, these elephants love milk. I forgot what type of milk they said it was, but they love it. Look at this elephant right here, y'all. He just stopped, spread his legs, and started peeing. That's one way to do it, right?
Right now, approximately 1 year old. Lying on the ground, being mounted by everyone else, is the mother figure of the rest of the group. She's actually just allowing the others to play with her. And that's why she's on the ground and allowing her to climb on top of her. This is an elephant by the name Curio. She's approximately 2 years old. She was rescued from Curio Valley, which is found within the Rift Valley. And she was identified all alone, just lying down within the park, identified by the rangers who searched for the mother without success. So that's why they conducted us to help rescue her.
On our way out the elephant orphanage, they had a little souvenir/gift shop. Then we headed over to the Giraffe Center.
You wanna say hi to the vlog?
It's a vlog.
Yeah, for our YouTube channel.
As I was feeding the giraffe, I was kind of hesitant at first, but then I eventually got used to it. Yeah, then the giraffe ended up spitting on me. But I definitely kept going though, and it was yucky, but it was actually nice. It was nice.
Hey y'all, we at the giraffe park.
This right here is one of the most expensive hotels in Kenya. After we left the Giraffe Center, we went to get some mangoes, and then after that, we finally went to go get some real food. I got some mbuzi and ugali, and I forgot what they got, but y'all, that is the end of day 2. Thanks for watching.